Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we learned stakeholder and communication management. We looked at identifying key project stakeholders, managing stakeholder expectations, project communication planning, tools for effective project communication. Case study, how poor communication led to project failure. In today's class, we will be learning change management and conflict resolution. Understanding change in projects. What is change in project management? Change in projects refers to any modification, adjustment, or shift in project scope, processes, resources, or objectives. Change may arise due to new business needs, stakeholder demands, external regulations, or unexpected project constraints. Types of change in projects: planned change, proactively introduced to improve efficiency, e.g., adopting new project management software. Unplanned change, unexpected, requiring immediate action, e.g., regulatory policy updates. Incremental change. Small, continuous improvements, e.g., refining work processes. Transformational change, large-scale shifts affecting the entire organization, e.g., company-wide digital transformation. Why is change important? Ensures projects remain relevant. Allows adaptability to market trends and technological advances. Encourages innovation and continuous improvement. Example, a software company may decide to switch from waterfall to agile methodology mid-project due to changing customer requirements. Strategies for managing organizational change. 1. Change management models. Kotter's 8-step change model. Establish urgency, build a guiding team, develop a vision for change, communicate the vision, empower action, create short-term wins, consolidate gains, anchor change in culture. Lewin's change model. Unfreeze, prepare for change. Change, implement new processes. Refreeze, sustain and integrate change. 2. Best practices for managing change. Communicate early and often. Transparency reduces resistance. Engage key stakeholders, gain support from leadership and employees. Provide training and support, equip teams with necessary skills. Monitor and adjust, assess effectiveness and refine strategies. Example, when a construction company introduces new safety protocols, workers may resist. Effective communication and training help ease the transition. Handling conflicts in project teams. What causes conflict in project teams? 1. Differences in goals and priorities. Conflicting objectives between departments. 2. Resource allocation issues, disputes over budget, manpower, and tools. 3. Communication breakdown, misinterpretations or lack of transparency. 4. Personality clashes, different work styles, leadership approaches. 5. Resistance to change, employees uncomfortable with new processes. Conflict resolution styles, Thomas Gilman model: competing, assertive but uncooperative, used when quick action is needed. Collaborating. Win-win approach that satisfies all parties. Compromising, each party gives up something for a middle ground. Avoiding, ignoring conflict, not ideal for long-term success. Accommodating, prioritizing relationships over issues. Example, if two developers disagree on coding standards, a project manager can facilitate collaboration by setting guidelines that both accept. Negotiation and mediation techniques. 1. Negotiation in project management. Negotiation is a structured process where parties discuss differences and agree on a resolution. Stages of negotiation: preparation, understand needs and constraints. Discussion, exchange viewpoints. Clarification and justification, present logical arguments. Bargaining and problem solving, find middle ground. Agreement, finalize solutions and commitments. Example, negotiating vendor contracts to ensure favorable pricing without compromising quality. 2. Mediation in conflict resolution. Mediation involves a neutral third party who helps conflicting parties reach a resolution. Effective mediation strategies: remain neutral, do not take sides. Encourage open dialogue, allow each party to express concerns. Focus on interests, not positions, understand underlying needs. Propose win-win solutions, find mutually beneficial outcomes. Example: if two project leads disagree on deadlines, a mediator can help them find a realistic compromise. Practical workshop. Role-playing conflict resolution. Workshop activity. Scenario 1, a marketing and development team disagree on product launch dates. Scenario 2, a senior executive pushes for project changes, frustrating the technical team. Scenario 3, a project budget is cut, and departments fight over resource allocation. Expected outcomes: teams practice applying conflict resolution techniques. Participants learn to negotiate and mediate effectively. Builds problem-solving and leadership skills. Conclusion. Change and conflict are inevitable in projects, but proper change management and conflict resolution strategies help teams navigate challenges effectively. Understanding negotiation and mediation techniques improves collaboration, decision-making, and project success. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.